everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. So Diwali is here, finally Diwali is here and I'm so excited. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I have decorated my balcony with lights. In this video, you also see my husband doing the lighting portion also for the help. But before moving to that video, if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for future updates. So let's go ahead and start the decoration. A little help from my husband. He's taking care of the string lights. He also wants to decorate for Diwali, that's why. Thank you, hubby. I will show you the end result. And the work is in progress. I'm just loving it. So my hubby did a great job with the lighting portion. Great effort. So in this portion, I want to just hang some lanterns over there. So let's start. I'm using this beautiful glass lantern which I have brought from a local shop. And I have attached this chain from my old purse to hang this beautiful glass lantern. And one more lantern I want to hang, and that is coconut shell lantern, which I have already made last week. If you haven't seen this video, please check it out. I will give the link in the description below. So let's start. Baba, do you want to hang something? My son is observing the light. He is loving it. He wants to stay in this balcony. What? He also wants to work. He also wants to work. Leave it. Now let's light them up and see how it has turned out. Now let's move to the second balcony. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. Have a safe and happy Diwali. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.